This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Kim Cyphers. The much-desired 4-5 bedroom Providence floor plan offers the very best the builder had to offer, with many upgrades including bronze fixtures in the owner's suite bath, a cultured marble tub and shower, a ginormous closet off the other closet. The French country exterior is a welcome sight returning home every day. The front porch is a great place to sit, have a glass of iced tea and meet your neighbors, and the back patio a great place to have your morning beverage and watch the sun rise over the neighboring farm and a pond. Nice large windows throughout, let the sunshine and light in and flows through this home. The living room / parlor / library, currently a large office area, and formal dining room greet you as you walk into this remarkable home. The kitchen has added windows so you can dine with nature surrounding you. With granite countertops, upgraded cabinets and a walk-in pantry along with stainless steel gas range and appliances, a center island for more storage and counter space make this a cook's delight. A stone surround raised hearth gas fireplace adds a touch of warmth to this lovely space, and topping it all off we have a guest bedroom or in-law suite if you added an armoire connected to a full bath with a 5 shower. Upstairs a perfect loft for a study room, exercise area, whatever your heart's delight, and 4 large bedrooms, all having walk-in closets. One closet is a jackn closet. So cool! Come see, and it will be hard to say no to making this your next home. For more information.